Here I have OPPO RX17 Pro, and let me show you how to activate night shift mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the settings, then find and select display and brightness, and then go to night shield. Now you can simply activate it by tapping on the switcher, and that's it. Since now your night shield mode is on, and you can of course personalize it, so you can change the colors, the warmer or cooler as you wish, and you can also change display effect. So for example, you can have display in black and white, just tap here to have it, or you can pick comfortable nighttime reading, so just tap over here, and now you will have all black display with white letters. Let's go back to display in color, and let's go to the second trick. So you can just schedule time of the night shield mode, so just tap on schedule time, and now you can pick the particular time on which, the hour on which it will be activated. So for example 7 p.m. and then the end day, so from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. next day. And once it's on, every time, actually every day between 7 and 7, your night shield mode will be activated. If you would like to switch off this rule, just tap on the same switcher. You can also activate it manually by sliding down the upper bar and tapping on night shield, just like that. And then obviously, if you would like to switch it off, just tap on the same switcher one more time. And actually that's it. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.